Sport in Indonesia, everything you need to know to enjoy a country that lives and breathes sport. Level A1. If you travel to Indonesia, or if you already live in Bali, Jakarta, or anywhere across the archipelago, 3 facts will help you understand the country's sport passion. First, badminton is not a hobby, it is a national religion. Indonesia has won 8 Olympic gold medals in this discipline, more than in all other sports combined. Second, pencak silat, the traditional Indonesian martial art, has been on the UNESCO Intangible Heritage List since 2019. You will see schools everywhere, even in small villages. And third, since 2022, the Mandalika circuit in Lombok hosts MotoGP, becoming a new national sports symbol. Module 1. Essential Sport Vocabulary. Here are the 7 essential words you need to talk about sport in Indonesia. The most important first.
Olahraga.
It's the generic word for sport. You will hear it everywhere. Next, the national sport.
Bulu tangkis.
That's badminton, the country's greatest pride.
Sepak bola.
Football, the second national passion, with some of the most devoted fans in the world.
Pemain.
It means player, whatever the sport.
Lapangan.
The field, the court, the stadium. When you ask where to play.
Juara.
The champion, the winner. And finally, the most encouraging word.
Semangat.
Literally spirit or courage. You shout it to push someone to give their best. Listen to this typical dialogue. You're heading to the stadium to watch a badminton match with an Indonesian friend.
Ayo, kita nonton bulu tangkis.
Come on, let's go watch badminton.
Pemain favoritmu siapa?
Who's your favorite player?
Juara dunia.
World champion.
Semangat tim Indonesia.
Let's go, Team Indonesia. 3 simple reflexes to practice sport without suffering under the Indonesian climate. 1. Get out early in the morning. The tropical heat hits hard by 9, and locals run or cycle before 7. 2. Play anywhere, for free. Every kampung, every neighborhood, has a badminton or volleyball court. An invitation to play often comes within minutes. 3. Hydrate nonstop. The humidity is sneaky, and you sweat without even noticing. Drink water long before you feel thirsty. Bonus, in Jakarta, every Sunday morning, Sudirman Avenue closes to cars for car-free day. It's the capital's biggest sport gathering. Module 2. The iconic sports. 5 iconic sports of Indonesia, from the gym to the sea.
Bulu tangkis.
Badminton, already mentioned, remains number 1 with 8 Olympic gold medals.
Pencak silat.
The traditional martial art, UNESCO listed in 2019, blends combat, dance and spirituality.
Sepak takraw.
The Southeast Asian kick volleyball. You play with feet, knees and head, like volleyball, but with a rattan ball.
Selancar.
Surfing, with Bali as its world capital. Uluwatu, Padang, and Sanggu draw pros from all over. And the 5th, free for everyone.
Mendaki gunung.
Volcano hiking. Bromo, Rinjani and Ijen offer some of the most spectacular sunrises on the planet. You now have the basics to talk sport in Indonesia: 7 keywords, 5 flagship sports, 3 ground reflexes. To go further, visit IndoLingua.fr.
Selamat berolahraga.
Happy training!